What's up guys, welcome back. We're going to be doing an unboxing and short review for the motherboard for our Scarlet Wolf build. We are using an MSI B350 Tomahawk Arctic, and this is compatible with AMD Ryzen here. So, just gonna dive right into it. I hope y'all like the desk art. We've got an almost completed Wing Gundam from Gundam Wing over here. We've got this really cool eagle over here. That's glass. And we've got an alien queen here, which is kind of cool. So, getting back to the video. Motherboard is almost out. Got our drivers and cables and bridges and whatnot in here, so we're not going to go in there. This is a variant of the normal Tomahawk from MSI, which we've used quite a few times. It's a really good board. This one is just white, so it's going to change the appeal, and we chose this board because it's as solid as the normal Tomahawk, and it fits the theme of this build, which is red and white. So, turning it vertical, as you can see here, this is a gorgeous motherboard. You can't change the blue color here and here, but it's not that apparent. It should be okay. This is an AM4 socket with one slot for PCI 3.0x16 slots. With the B350 chipset, you can only run in Crossfire. You can't run in SLI. If you want SLI, you'll need to go with the X370. But anyway, this first slot is reinforced, which is always good to see. Oh, nice click there. Come over here. You have your. That is quite loose. That is odd. Interesting. Huh. All these three are pretty secure. This one's a little loose. Huh. So we've got our 4 white DIMM slots here with a bit of a silver edging on the outsides of the slots, which is kind of neat. A lot of the sockets ports on here are black. Your motherboard power, your CPU power, all of your fan ports are black. What the heck? This is a screw, which is for M2. Anyway, you got your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have 6 ports for fans. You got some RGB over here. You got a little port over here for RGB. But yeah, it's pretty much the same as the normal Tomahawk, except this is white. 1, 2, 3, 4 ports on SATA. You've got your M2 here, and that's the only M2 slot on this board. Of course, you can get a riser card if you wanted to run your M2 off of one of these slots. That's about it. Pretty good weight. Again, it's the same physical board as the normal Tomahawk, except this is white. If you want a more in-depth review of this board, you can look at one of the other Tomahawk reviews on the channel. If you like this video, click the like button. If you didn't like the video, let me know why, and I'll work to make the next videos even better. If you like watching our channel, please subscribe to our channel. If you do, there'll be a little bell icon which pops up, and if you click the bell icon, you can be notified via email when we upload new content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video.